Hi guys, once again, if this is the first video watching of me, there's so many of them that you need to catch up with, so you're welcome to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today we are going to be making fish with some chimichurri sauce and steamed bananas. So let's go. Today we are going to let the spirit lead us, but nonetheless the recipe is going to be super delicious. So this is the second recipe on the internet that is going to require you to use a lot of kitchen towels. So what we want to do is cut off these fins. The tail, this is strong. And then you're going to get your knife and score the fish. I think you can do this with literally every fish. You're going to get your salt and you want it to enter all the scored pieces. On all sides. Even on the inside. And then we are going to get some paprika. The way it is, we're going to carry it and put it in hot oil. So I'm expecting you to have heated your oil up or your deep fryer. Me, I am going to be frying in this pan. We are going to make our green sauce. I'm going to add in, this is a quarter cup. I'm going to put in half a cup of white vinegar. And then I'm going to put in quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. I love me a spicy green sauce. So get these green chilies. By the way, come close, let me tell you a secret. It can work as a marinade. There you go. It can work as a marinade, a very good chicken marinade. So just in case you are stuck, refer to this sauce. I do not have the red chilies, so I'm just going to add in my green chilies. If by accident I touch my face, I will cry premium. cut up some red onion. And some garlic. 2 cloves. Add in salt. Grind in some black pepper. These days onions make me cry for no reason. I don't even have problems this whole month. You want to test it and see if the salt is good or the acid. Oh! That is so good, but the chili, yo. I'm going to add in some salt. And that's it. I don't want it as a puree. I can always pick some from here. Then we keep this for the lemon tea. Olikalala, olikawala kalungi nnyo. Then I'm going to bring the fish and lay it up here. Oh wow, it's so crispy. I had made some pogora or boiled matooke in this saucepan outside. So I'm going to get some of those, peel them, and then we plate our fish.